In this training, we're going to do the search engine results pages analyzer that's inside of Surfer SEO. And this is going to help you find what's similar between documents that are ranking well in the search engines. So you can enter in keywords for your niche market. You can even enter in multiple keywords. You have to use the shift and enter key in order to do multiple ones. So let me just show you what that looks like. So let's say I do digital marketing. Okay, then I can hit shift enter, and I can do like digital marketing agency. And so that would run two search engine result pages analyzers. And if I do the natural language processing credits, which you can go through those pretty fast, like that would cost me 4 NLP credits, with which how I have this set up. Now, if I ran it through Google, it would run me 6 credits. So I'm not going to do that search right now. I'm going to show you one of my older searches. Here's one for affiliate marketing, and we'll see how this looks. So with this, it's going to show me the top search engine results. So this is number 1 and number 2. I can see what their content score between a 1 and 100. 100 is the best, 1 is the worst. I can see their domain score, so that goes from 1 to 10. This one's currently rated at 9, so they're going to do really well in the search engines. I can show their information on a chart. So I think that'll be the chart up above. I don't need to show that. I can exclude it from my audit if I need, and I can also grab a screenshot, a content outline, and I can audit it some more. Why don't we do the content outline? And you can see all the header tags for that particular page. This would be great because you could copy this information and just put it into Conversion AI and make your own version of their page. So that can accelerate your success online. Let me do another one here. We'll do the screenshot. So this will show what the page looks like. So at a quick glance, I can see an image of the page, and Surfer SEO just grabs that for me. So that's kind of cool to have. I can do more of an audit if I want. And so this is going to share with me more about this particular page. So it has 0 errors and 5 warnings for affiliate marketing. And so this talks about different things on the page, different keywords on the page, and how many times it's been on there, how many times like I have them on my page, what's the suggested, and the relevance to this article. And then it'll help you figure out, oh, I should add some more in there. So that can be useful. I can even export this information, and it should give me a spreadsheet so I can see how that all works. And that can be a good way to get stuff going. There's even backlinks that it can show where these people are getting their links from. So that can be useful information as well. Now let me scroll down here and show you some more stuff. So we can look at keywords, for example. Now these are the top keywords that are on the top search engine result pages for affiliate marketing. And this can give me an idea of what content I need to be talking about on my pages if I want it to rank, and how many times they're mentioned, and how much the volume is, how many times they're on the different pages. So that's useful. I can see the top questions that are being answered or asked on those pages, so that can also guide me. I can even sort that if I want. I can export this information. I can look at popular words. This may give me some other phrases or other words that could be popular with the audience. So it may give me some other ideas of things to talk about in my article. Here's the popular phrases, and that goes really in conjunction with the popular words. This may give you some other ideas for content to talk about or other articles to create. Common words is kind of similar to the popular words, and for this one, it's not really showing anything. Let's do common phrases. This shows some of the phrases that you see, so it's kind of similar to the popular phrases. It's a little less data than the other one. This shows the prominent words and phrases. I'm not seeing anything for this one, so I'm not sure why. And we'll look at the backlinks. This is going to show sites that tend to be linking to these sites. So like QuickSprout links to 18 of the top, 20 sites or whatever it searched for. So a lot of them. So a lot of these sites are getting linked back to from different places. And those could be places for you to reach out to. Like, let's say that you've created your own version of one of the top ranking pages on Google for your topic. You could start reaching out to some of these other people that are linking to those sites and say, hey, I've made an updated version of this article, and get them to link back to you. That is a possibility. We can do other things, like I can see like sentiment for different words in here, and that can be useful. Let's go back to, I think I have to look at keywords for this. And so we'll see how things are with the NLP sentiment. I guess I'm not really seeing it on there right now. Oh, here it is. So there's some that information's here. I can use the URLs and see where like things are ranked for, so that can be useful. I can look at their estimated traffic. I can look at the backlinks for different sites, so that can be very helpful for figuring out. I can even go by domain if I wanted. So there's a lot of different options here. I can look at the structure of the page and really go like, what's the keyword density, and that can be some additional information. So you can really geek out on this particular tool, where it's really analyzing a lot of this information for you. You can export all this information as spreadsheets, and this will help guide your content creation. So I hope you found this useful. This worked really well with integrating into Conversion AI. So you may want to use the search engine results pages analyzer inside of Surfer SEO, so you can start creating better content with Conversion AI. If you're not a member of either one of these, I'm going to put some links below where you can sign up for Conversion AI and Surfer SEO, and that's going to help you get a lot of free traffic from the search engines and help you create better content.